Now, there are various types of neck dissection. The neck dissection has gone from a stage of radical, extended radical, down to selective dissections. Now, so there is one radical neck dissection, extended radical neck dissection, then came the modified radical neck dissection, which are 3 types depending on the preservation of any of these structures like sternomastoid, internal jugular, vein and spinal accessory nerve. Then came a comprehensive neck dissection. Any dissection with the removal of level 1 to 5 is considered comprehensive neck dissection. Then there was a collection called selective dissection of 1 or 2 groups. Suprahyoid level 1, 2 and 3 are called selective group of dissection. There is a lateral selective dissection where the level 2, 3 and 4 are included. Anterior compartment dissection, which is level 6. Posterolateral selective dissection, which is level 2, 3, 4 and 5. These neck dissections are done for controlling the malignancy when there are no neck metastasis proved. I have to come again all over. Neck dissections are done predominantly with primaries with node negative status for controlling the loco-regional disease. In pathologically node 1 without adverse histological features, neck dissections play a role. Now we will take one after another what various types of neck dissections. Radical neck dissection. This was a classical radical neck dissection which contains en bloc removal of lymph nodes group 1 to 5, sternocleidomastoid muscle, internal jugular vein, spinal accessory nerve, tail of the parotid gland. The nodes that are not included in this radical neck dissection is posterior auricular group, suboccipital group, perifacial group, buccinator group or the central compartment, that is group 6. So where is the indication for radical neck dissection? Bulky nodal disease with extensive soft tissue involvement due to extracapsular extension. It is often done for the recurrence after chemoradiation.